Here are 7 anti-aging tips they don't want you to know. Maybe things that you haven't heard before as it's related to your beauty routine. Okay, tip number 1 is to get some safe sunlight exposure. So meaning if you're actually building up your tan, if you are getting more of that red light, especially as the sun is rising and as the sun is setting, we know that red light therapy is all the rage because why? It helps to build up your collagen, helps to have that anti-aging effect, and is fantastic for your skin's metabolism. So getting that safe sunlight exposure can be really helpful for part of your beauty routine. Okay, number 2 on my list is fixing your leptin resistance. Well, have you heard about this before in terms of being anti-aging? Well, that leptin resistance is something that is going to translate into maybe your blood glucose levels not being where they should be. Maybe that aging process is happening more quickly because of inflammation related back to your leptin levels. So really learning more about leptin resistance and how this can help to be very anti-aging is something that I encourage you to do. Of course, check out my other videos about leptin resistance. Okay, tip number 3 is hydration. So it's one thing to drink water, but actually absorbing and making sure that your body's holding on to that water becomes very important as well. So one of the things that you may be lacking is electrolytes. So I want you to try to make my Soleil water. You can check out the recipe. It's super easy to do, but getting that proper internal hydration by adding some salt into your water in a certain ratio is amazing to help with that proper hydration from within. And of course, when your skin is properly hydrated, it's sort of like plumping up your skin from the inside out. That's going to go a long way to be very anti-aging. Okay, tip number 4 of the 7 is to try some face yoga. So this is one of the things that I love to do to help to build up that muscle mass in the very specific facial muscles. Certain exercises will help to sort of puff up the cheeks and raise the cheekbones, helps with the jawline as well. So this is a great natural way to give that facelift effect by just doing the facial yoga exercises. I've got other videos on how to do some of those. Okay, tip number 5 is using the Guasha. So using the Guasha, however you like to pronounce it. This is fantastic for especially moving any fluid, moving those lymphatics, helping with drainage, but also stimulating some of the tender points and helping to actually relax the muscles that may have some tension, helping to have that lifting effect for the face. Number 6 on my list is to eat foods that are going to feed your skin and nourish your skin. Things like avocado, loaded with natural vitamin E. Fruits, when they're in season, naturally give us some vitamin C, great to counteract the UV from the sun. So eating the best foods and fruits and vegetables to help to feed your skin. Of course, seafood also loaded with minerals and that DHA, which is great for your skin. These are some of my favorites to help to have that anti-aging effect. And number 7 on my list is to use some whole food supplements. And there are some that are very targeted and specific to your skin health for your beauty routines. Some of my favorites are a grass-fed hydrolyzed collagen. That one's fantastic, as well as MSM, horsetail, L-lysine, fish oils that are high in that DHA especially, magnesium, our anti-aging mineral, all really important supplements. Just when you are taking supplements, make sure that they are whole food supplements and they don't have any other fillers or flow agents in them, especially that magnesium stearate. You want to look out for that. But that's something that you can definitely find on the label and make sure that you're looking for it. Okay, I did mention earlier about that leptin resistance. I want you to really learn more about that. If you haven't yet seen this video, please check it out. 10 tips to fix leptin resistance. I'll see you there.